मैं बोल चुकी हूँ पहले। Assalamualaikum dear student. This is a video number 8, part 2. You will fill the index first. Today I will take the topic is pronoun. Now you can fill the page number 17, 18 and 19. Mention the date over there. Hello. In this slide I want to explain what is pronoun, and we will talk about the different type of pronoun. And for example, here is the definition. A pronoun is a word which used in place of noun. जैसे कि हम लोग बोलते हैं, जानते हैं कि प्रोनाउन क्या होता है. प्रोनाउन जो नाउन की जगह पे यूज़ किया जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अहमद is absent because he is ill. He is pronoun because he is used instead of Ahmad. It is better not to repetition of Ahmad on the second time. You can see in the second example, this house is very old, it is falling down. It is pronoun and house is noun. It is in a sentence. The word it is pronoun because it used instead of thing. House is a thing. We should use thing. We have to use it instead of thing. Now we will do on next page. The definition is, a pronoun is a word used to take the place of a noun. And here is the some rules of pronoun. There are 7 type of pronoun, but here we can discuss only personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun in class 3. What is personal pronoun? A personal pronoun refers to some specific person, place or thing. There are 3 types of personal pronoun: first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. First person pronoun refer to the person speaking, I and we. Second person pronoun refers to the person spoken to you. For example, you. An example, you can see, you have an extra pencil. In the third person pronoun refers to the person or thing, people or thing spoken about. For example, he, she, it, they. Ahmad said. You can see in the example, Ahmad said he had met her. He and her is the third person pronoun of personal pronoun. Let's learn possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun means refers to ownership, that is something belonging to somebody. Possessive pronoun are first person. Example, this book is mine. Second person, yours. Pronoun is this book is yours, to refer the ownership of the second person. In the first person possessive, first relationship ownership to the first person, and the second, this book is yours, to the refer to the ownership on the second person. Third person pronoun, example, his, her, their. Example, this book is hers. His, her, their are called third person pronoun. Reflexive pronoun You see in the table, children, let's learn add reflexive pronoun back to the subject of the sentence when reflexive noun is the object of the sentence. Here is the, you can see number, gender, according to the pronoun will be changed according to in the three types of pronoun. Okay. In the back side, personal pronoun are classified according to person, first person, second person and third person. Number में भी सिंगुलर हो सकता है, प्लूरल हो सकता है, जेंडर मास्कुलिन हो सकता है, फेमिन हो सकता है और न्यूट्रल हो सकता है. केस सब्जेक्टिव एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव अकॉर्डिंग टू. हियर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ सब्जेक्टिव. हु, न्यूट्रल में भी हु आ सकता है एंड पर्सनल एंड न्यूट्रल पर्सनल में दैट, यानी कि दोनों में. ऑब्जेक्टिव हुम, पॉजिटिव केस में हुज और ऑफ इच आ सकता है. This pronoun is a word which relates to noun or pronoun which subject is before it. Example में देखिए, I know Ahmed who make the something relation. दिस सेंटेंस जिसमें रिलेशन बनता हो और दो सब्जेक्ट को, दो सेंटेंस को कनेक्शन हो कंजक्शन की तरह, उसमें हु, हुम, हुज से एक ही सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करते हैं. ये भी प्रोनाउन का एक पार्ट है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजीली ड्यूरिंग द एक्सरसाइज. ओके, in exercise number 1, write the suitable pronoun in the blank. In the example, Umar is my elder brother. Dash, he is taller than me. I will not say Umar, and again we can use the pronoun he. In the sentence number 1, Hina is a doctor. Dash, cares her patient very well. What is the pronoun? Where is the pronoun? She. Number 2, Mr. and Mrs. Akram are healthy. Dash, do not need health care. Where is the pronoun and what type of pronoun we will use? Because Mr. and Mrs. are plural, the pronoun will be they. Number 3, cow is a domestic animal, gives us a milk. What will be pronoun here? It. It comes about the cow. The farmer are in the field. Dash, are plowing. Answer is farmers, they. Look at the full moon. Dash is beautiful. Now the pronoun will be used what? It. This is my gift. Dash, bought it for my birthday. The pronoun is number 6, she. Ali and Usman are plural. The pronoun will be our brothers. Dash, they love each other. Number 8, this box is very heavy. Dash is made of steel. This box will be pronoun it. Number 9, my family went to beach yesterday. Dash, enjoyed there. What pronoun will be? They. Favorite dish is biryani. Dash, usually take it in lunch. The pronoun will be it. Okay, this exercise has finished. Now we will go on next exercise. Now exercise number 2. Here is the possessive pronoun. possessive pronoun I want to describe again. Possessive pronoun refers to ownership, that is something belonging to somebody. It means आप किसी भी चीज़ पे, कोई भी अपनी चीज़ पे अपना हक जताएं या अपने हक की तरह बात करें, ये प्रोनाउन पॉजेसिव नाउन्स की में ही आता है. जैसे आप सेंटेंस में देखिए, योर का पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन योर्स होता है, तो सेंटेंस में कैसे बनेगा? दिस इज योर बुक, इट इज योर्स. नंबर 2, आई हैव ब्यूटिफुल किटन, इट इज माइन. आई का पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन माइन होता है. आप टेबल भी चेक कर लें और उसको केयरफुली देखें तो आप ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत आसानी से कर लेंगे. नंबर 3, सफीना हैज़ ए पेट डॉग, इट इज हर्स. हर्स कम from the Safina. Number 4, he has a smart dress, the dress is his. Number 5, these are their books, the books are themselves. Number 6, this is our family house, the house is ourselves. Number 7, this pencil is hers. Number 8, those are their wallet, the wallets are themselves. Number 9, the idea of dash is excellent. What will be possessive pronoun? Hers. Number 10, she is dash teacher, the pronoun will be are. Now this exercise has completed. Now let's learn next exercise. Here is the exercise number 3. Now you can practice. Write the correct pronoun from the bracket. In the example, Umar is my elder brother. Umar, it means what is the pronoun? He. I will not say it again and again Umar, I will say he. Number 1, you are as old as. The correct answer is me. Number 2, nobody but dash was absent. The pronoun will be he. Number 3, can you write as well as. What? The pronoun will be them. It is secret between you and. Answer will be me. Number 5, I dash heard the remarks of teacher. The answer will be myself. Number 6, we seldom see dash as others see us. The pronoun will be ourselves. Number 7, he is known to my sister and dash me. Number 8, she is always talking about. Answer will be herself. Number 9, we are not so rich as. The answer will be they are. Number 10, they dash admitted their mistake. They, the answer will be themselves. Exercise number 3 has finished. Now let's last exercise we will do on page number 19. Now here is the exercise number 4 on page number 19. Write the relative pronouns that, who, which, whose, whom. Relative pronoun कौन से होते हैं? Relative pronoun is a word which relates to noun and pronoun. Noun and pronoun के बीच में जो वर्ड रिलेट करते हैं, यानी कि सेंटेंस को ऐड करते हैं और सेंटेंस एक ही कहलाता है, वही रिलेशन प्रोनाउन में आता है. इसी को ही रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई नो अहमद Who make the noise? Who is relative pronoun? Here are some relative pronoun you can fill with the help of sentence. Here are the books dash I found. The answer will be which. I hate children dash are cruel. The answer will be who. All animals know the person by. What will relative pronoun? Whom they are kindly treated. Number 4. God help those dash who help themselves. The relative pronoun will be used who. The answer that she gave is not correct. That relative pronoun will be used in sentence number 5. This is the house dash my father built. What word relative pronoun will be that? The number 7. Teacher knows the lady dash whose child is sick. Number 8. Bring me the dish dash that lie on the table. That is a relative pronoun will be used on sentence number 8. Number 9. The gift dash that you gave me is a nice one. The answer will be, the pronoun will be on sentence number 9 that. Number 10. This is the film dash we saw yesterday. The answer will be which. Now exercise number 1, exercise number 2 and exercise number 3 and 4 we have completed. Now you can do the exercise very carefully with the help of pencil. Work and writing will be very neatly. I hope you will understand definitions, types of noun and uses of noun, and all the things you can practice again and again. The pronoun is a very important part of the English grammar or parts of speech. Now hope you will understand. Allah Hafiz.